Today we are in Matera, Italy. We just got here and got some food and we're actually dying from the heat. So we decided to just sit on this bench and chill until things open up.
We're sitting on a bench and this bench is a little grandma property and the grandma is spying on us. She's mad. Yes, it's not there yet, but I'm telling you, she's mad at us.
So we are now entering my hotel room in Matera. We have candle lit lights all over. We have some fresh fruit and some water with some dinner menus so we can order food. This is our bed. We have a little hanger for our clothes. You can see the candles everywhere. Our beautiful bathtub. And then our bathroom area, which is all open with a bidet, the toilet, and then our sink area. Look at how little the mirror is. This place is literally heaven, and I can't believe I'm staying here. So this is the room that you eat breakfast in or dinner. It's so cool. Wow. They have these drinks for us to drink and I have no idea what that is. I just poured myself a glass and it's literally delicious. It tastes like sugar in a bottle. Okay guys, so now we are on a mission to take my photos because I'm not gonna come to Matera and not get a freaking photo. But we just spent like a couple hours in our hotel room using the bath and taking photos in there, and it was really nice because it was so hot today. We really needed to just cool down. This is my quick OTD. This dress is from Meshki, and then I have a Louis Vuitton necklace, and then my bag is from TJ Maxx. Look at these stairs that we're walking over right now. Yeah, that's why I'm out of breath. But the views, crazy. I haven't been vlogging in the morning because it's just been a lot, and when it's hot I get like anxiety. So I found a place to take photos where no one's at, and now I'm taking photos of John Marco. But look how pretty this view is. Everybody is up there taking their photos, but we decided to come down here and we have this whole thing to ourselves. I don't know why it's not focusing.
So guys, we're here at Lopa, restaurant in Matera that we saw on TikTok. So I'll show you what we're getting. This is the traditional salad from Matera. Looks really good, interesting. We haven't tried it yet, but I'll let you know. Then these are the cold cuts and with some cheeses. And I can't wait to eat. This is oil for the bread. And the bread is really good. And yeah.
This is our candle and it's literally made out of wax and it's literally Matera. How cute is that? Love it. So we just finished our lunch and this is the view at night. Like, are you kidding me? I'm so sad to leave tomorrow. I wish I can show you guys all the little people walking. It's so fascinating. I love people watching. You also get this really pretty view of this church, and then this is the rock church that we're at. Looking at the view, it's literally a church with a huge rock on it. Like, how did they make that? Hi guys, so it's the morning the next day and we're going to check out and we're extremely sad, but we're gonna get some breakfast. So I'm gonna show you guys what our breakfast looks like and our view this morning. John Marco's already taken a video, but that's not very cute. Look how pretty. Oh, it's so bright. So for this specific hotel, it has 3 levels. Ours is the 2nd level, and then the 1st level is the reception and the breakfast. And this is what everything looks over. Our little table, the little buffet over there. How pretty. This used to be an old church. There's literally so many options, all local food too. So that is it for our time in Matera. I am all washed up now, but we had the longest day traveling on bus from Matera to Bari and then taking a flight from Bari to northern Italy. Matera has been on my bucket list forever, so I am so happy and fulfilled but sad at the same time. And I wish I had more time in Matera. That's my one regret, but that was my 24 hours in Matera. I hope you guys enjoyed and it inspires you to visit Matera. I feel like it's a secret of Italy that not a lot of people know about, but I wish more people visited. So thanks for watching. See you guys later.